Isa sa pinakamahalagang pangangailangan ng bata ay ang edukasyon. At sa panahon ngayon na na-expose sila sa maraming bagay, mas mabuti na maaga silang nahuhubog at natuturuan. Halimbawa niyan ay ang mga ginagawa ng mga child care at early education facilities na nakatutok sa learning with fun. Let's all watch this.
Unang 5 taon ng isang bata ay mahalaga na mabigyang pansin ng mga magulang. Dito nagsisimula ang brain development na malaki ang epekto sa kanilang learning skills. Sa kabila nito ay ang pangangailangan ng maayos, mapagkakatiwalaan at safe na lugar para sa mga kids.
The early childhood education should not be limited only to academics, but more so because they are still young and they are kids. We allow them to play, and then while playing, they are learning. They're learning and they're loving to read. They're learning and loving the environment, that they have to take care of their environment. They're learning and loving and respecting other kids also who are not the same as they are, like the neurodivergent kids, accepting us who they are as well.
It's a crucial stage for development kasi. So what do they learn? They learn how to socialize. I think that's one of the most important aspect of enrolling your child in an early childhood education. We also develop their cognitive skills through playing. The traditional way of teaching kasi like, you just sit down and then listen to your teacher.
At kapag sinabing safe space to all kids, kabilang na dyan ang mga neurodivergent kids para sila ay makapag-socialize at matuto at their own pace, at their own comfort level.
So for our neurodivergent learners as well, we do the same. So we use the DIR floor time approach in handling our neurodivergent learners. It's like giving them that space.
Let's say we will teach them how to count 1 to 10. Hindi lang namin explicitly sasabihin na, okay, this is number 1. Parang we incorporate games like, this is number 1. Can you jump to number 1? So that's also incorporating movements. We're teaching them how to count, but we present it in various methods or techniques so that the learning will be generalized. Kasi mabilis lang nilang makakalimutan kung ano yung itsura ng number 1. But if they know what's the real essence of those numbers.
At dahil kids are meant to do playing while learning, ang mga bata ay na-expose din sa mga pets, iba't ibang routine activities na maaaring mahubog hanggang sa paglaki tulad ng pagdodrawing.
Very, very important will be the part of their socialization, their emotional regulation, and those things, no, mas matututunan nila kung kasama din nila yung other kids. They will learn how to do turn taking, they learn how to wait, those things. Iba yung sa bahay, iba rin yung sa school, that's true, but it will always be a partnership with the school and at home.
Ang early childhood development ay makakamit sa pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang sektor sa lipunan at isa ito sa binibigyang pansin ng lokal na pamahalaan para mabigyan ng kalidad na edukasyon ang mga kabataan na magdudulot ng malaking impact sa pagbabago at pag-unlad ng buhay ng bawat pamilya at ng buong lipunan.